The supply and demand decomposition can be applied to analyze the opioid crisis. The White House Council of Economic Advisors, or CEA, utilized these methods to discern the factors contributing to the increase in opioid overdose deaths between 2001 and 2010. By employing the demand equation delta Q equals delta D plus epsilon D times delta P, where P represents the out-of-pocket price, they aim to separate the effects of demand shifts from price changes. Demand factors, denoted as D, include elements that increase the quantity of opioids consumed at a given price. These factors might encompass rising unemployment and other economic conditions that drive deaths of despair, as well as industry marketing efforts and dispensing practices. The term epsilon D times delta P captures the change in quantity due to price changes. During the 2001 to 2010 period, out-of-pocket prices fell sharply, largely due to government programs subsidizing prescription purchases and pharmaceutical patent expirations. The CEA measured the quantity of prescription opioids by the fraction of the population that died with prescription opioids cited on their death certificates. They measured out-of-pocket prices as consumer spending net of subsidies per morphine gram equivalent prescribed. Using economic studies, they considered two values for D, 0.47 and 0.56, to generate predicted series of opioid consumption. As the graph in Figure 15.2 illustrates, these predicted series, based solely on price changes, account for most of the actual change in opioid consumption. The gap between actual and predicted levels represents the demand shift. In logarithmic terms, this demand shift is given by the formula delta D equals delta Q minus epsilon D times delta P. This method does not assume specific non-price factors affecting demand. They are treated as residuals. The significant price decline alone suggests a substantial impact on opioid consumption, as shown by the scale of actual death rate changes. In some cases, it is more intuitive to consider demand and supply shifts in vertical terms, using marginal cost and marginal value. The equilibrium system then becomes delta MV plus delta Q over epsilon D equals delta P equals delta MC plus delta Q over epsilon D. Solving these equations reveals how changes in marginal cost and value affect equilibrium quantity and price.